Let me tell you something you may not want to hear. If you're still posting content without a plan in 2025, you're finished. Like dead in the algorithm. I know that sounds harsh, but it's the truth. And while you're busy complaining that nobody is watching your content, others are using strategy and eating your lunch. So if you don't want to be left behind, you need to hear this. Most people are growing because they think posting consistently is the same thing as growing. It's not. They are posting random videos hoping something will go viral. But virality without strategy is just noise. The algorithm isn't your enemy. It rewards retention, clarity, and relevance. And let's be honest, if your first line is, "Hi guys, welcome back to my page," my brother, nobody is back. Who are you talking to? You have 3 seconds to hook someone before they scroll away. And most people waste it. The creators you admire, they are not winging it. They are using frameworks, real system, and every day you wait. They are moving ahead while you are sitting there thinking, maybe it's my village people. It's not. It's your strategy. Here are 3 things you need to grow. Number 1, strategy. Know who you are talking to, why they should listen, and what result you are promising them. Number 2, hook. Your first 3 seconds needs to punch, not pet. Punch. Number 3, storytelling and consistency. That's how you stay on top of mind. Let me explain. We are in a noisy market. Everyone is shouting. If your voice isn't clear and strong, people will just walk past you to the next person selling the same thing. That's why your content needs structure. You can keep overthinking your next post while someone else is posting short, sharp videos that is turning followers into clients. Time is not waiting for you. Either you learn this game or you get left behind. This is where you decide if you want to keep complaining or change your approach. I created MCS and Hooked for people who are tired of guessing, people who want a step-by-step guide to go from random posts to real growth. And if you want personalized support, I do consultation and group coaching. This isn't magic, it's strategy. It's simple, but it works if you do. The biggest regret people have is not starting earlier, or worse, starting wrong. Don't be the person who says, "If only I knew this last year." You know now. What will you do with it?